SIPs are the most flexible form of investment. From modifying your investment amount and time to pausing them, you can do it all. Here's how you can modify your SIP in stocks from the dashboard Find Orders. This shows a list of all your SIP orders. You can see the upcoming ones plus the cancelled ones. Next, select the SIP you wish to modify. Then click on Manage SIP to either edit or pause it. Unlike mutual funds, when you choose to modify SIP in stock, you can only alter the quantity of the same and not the amount. This is because fractional investing is not available in Indian stocks. So every month the value of one whole share or the number of shares you have chosen to create an SIP on gets credited. Moving on, click on Edit and change the SIP quantity. Select the date and frequency and confirm your changes. But now what's even more interesting about SIP in stocks is that you can pause them as well. And doing so is pretty simple. When you click on Manage SIP, it will be followed by a pop-up that says Pause SIP. Click on that and it will be paused with just one click. When you're ready to resume, you can do that as well. And that's it. If you still have questions, comment below and we'll be happy to answer.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.